We are soaking in the sun today. Here's Ted with more.
It's good to see the sun, a little on the breezy side. So yeah, there are some colder winds to deal with, but overall a quieter situation. We had some flurries early on. Temperatures started out in the teens in the pre-dawn hours. Here's time lapse from our Lewiston auto camera from our studio. See the clouds. There were some flurries. If you look closely, see a couple of those, and then the sun slowly begins to reemerge from the skies overhead, the clouds overhead. The sky is really clearing the last hour. Looking now live to the south along South Broadway with our Lewiston auto camera. I got a brisk west breeze, 14 miles per hour. Every so often topping out around 20 miles per hour. So kind of a raw breeze. 22 the temperature. Not much movement there. Temperatures are going to kind of level off in the mid-20s. All of this even with more and more sunshine building in. But there's some colder air coming in. The clouds and the flurries, a sign of that the frontal passage and associated with that area of low pressure and its cold front moving on to the east. High pressure coming behind it will make for a quieter afternoon. We'll eventually see the winds drop off a little bit this evening and then become much gustier later tonight as the next storm system moves in pretty quickly. First thing tomorrow, we'll see the cloud cover increasing and then some snow chances with that. But where we've been so far today, at midnight, we had a morning low around 7. Temperatures then began to rise sharply over about a 3-hour period, and then we've kind of leveled off in the teens to low 20s as that front has moved on through. Reemergence of the sun helped us to move up a couple degrees in the last hour, though. 22 right now. Brisk west winds. It feels like 9. Air pressure is steady here in Rochester. Temperatures mainly in the 20s. That's typical for this time of the year. Rochester 22. Austin a bit warmer at 27, Charles City 23, and La Crosse 27. A lot of 20s across the regional map as well. Mid-20s in Sioux Falls and Lincoln, Nebraska, 39 degrees. So there's some warmth beginning to build in the plains. We're going to see some of these 30s work their way in our direction by tomorrow. So a chilly day today. Temperatures won't drop much tonight. They'll begin to climb before we even get to tomorrow with some Sunday snow with that upcoming storm system, or rather Wednesday snow. As that system then moves through, we have the late week Arctic air for a couple of days. We've been talking about that. Thursday and Friday, the coldest of the week. But right now, chilly sunshine, a seasonably chilly day with those brisk winds, 24 the high, dropping to the teens for a time, and then we'll see those temperatures actually climb again tonight as we saw last night. Temperatures actually climbing after midnight. But in the wake of that cold front, skies clearing off completely by late in the day and for the evening. Futurecast looking clear, but a little breezier after midnight tonight. Those southwest winds begin to reach 25, maybe 30 miles per hour before we even get to tomorrow morning. And then some sun. Here come the clouds. They'll increase by mid-morning. Here's a band of snow with that upcoming cold front that arrives around 2 or 3 in the afternoon, lasting into the early evening. About an inch, maybe an inch and a half in the way of snowfall there. Then clouds and raw winds behind that carry us through Wednesday night into Thursday. Gradual clearing Thursday morning, but here comes some Arctic high pressure. A breezy, very cold day. Temperatures on Thursday will drop throughout the day. We'll start off sub-zero and likely drop even farther from there. But overall, snowfall amounts tomorrow, looking at as much as an inch, maybe a little more than an inch as we look at that snowfall through tomorrow afternoon and evening. Temperatures today in the 20s. We dipped to the teens for a time, but we'll see these readings actually climbing through tomorrow morning and into the low 30s as that cold front approaches. Maybe a sprinkle, otherwise mainly snow, and then watch the temperatures around midnight tomorrow night around 0. That'll be the high for the day. We'll see temperatures all throughout the rest of our Thursday staying sub-zero with wind chills around 25 below most of the day. Kind of a breezy day. And then Friday, temperatures will be below 0 to start, but we'll start seeing improvement. Teens for highs in the afternoon. And by the weekend, it was actually get above freezing for a time, with temperatures around the 30s, at least by Monday, maybe a shot at getting above freezing. 20s today with more and more sunshine, kind of a chilly breeze though out of the west. 25 in Osage, Forest City, Iowa, around 28 with sunny skies and west winds up to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, a gusty night. Winds pick up after midnight, 17, but temperatures actually climbing to the 20s. And then tomorrow, 32 the high, snow in the afternoon as much as an inch, maybe an inch and a half. And those gusty southwest winds, 30 miles per hour. Breezy and really cold Thursday. Friday morning, 15 below. Could be the coldest morning of the season so far. But a heartwarming Valentine's Day with that sunshine at least. A light snow Friday, maybe a minor coating there. And then rain and a little snow on Monday.
Going to be giving quilts for Valentine's Day.
So, yeah, big warm cozy blanket or especially someone a big Snuggie, one of those Snuggie things at the arms.
I have one of those.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes, you and a former co-anchor of mine gave me one years ago.
The gift that keeps on giving.
That's right.
Give it on Friday.
Just ahead, we're going to meet Cole, our pet of the week.